Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a very specific but essential piece of gear for many musicians. A replacement 12V AC power adapter designed for a range of classic Roland and Boss musical instruments. This particular adapter, from the brand Ausli, is marketed as a compatible power supply for numerous models that require a 12-volt AC input. This adapter is specifically made to power devices like the Roland BRA 120, along with many others including the SAIL 50, DS 330, DR 660, JAR 09, JX 1, and various SPD models, plus effects units like the Me 6 and Me 6B. It also lists compatibility with the BRA 240, BRA 230, BRA 220H, 50G 21, DL 50, SPD 11, SPD 20, MX 10, and S 50, PQ 50, SC 33, TD 5, and TU 50. If you have older Roland or Boss gear that requires a 12 VAC supply, this could be exactly what you need to get it up and running again. Looking at the technical details, the adapter takes a standard US household input of 120 volts AC at 60 Hz. Crucially, its output is also AC, 12 volts AC. It's vital to note this is an AC to AC adapter, not AC to DC, which is common for many other devices. It's rated at 830 milliamperes, but the manufacturer states it's backward compatible with devices requiring lower current like 700 milliamperes, 500 milliamperes, or even 300 milliamperes, making it quite versatile for the listed compatible models. One of the key aspects highlighted are the built-in safety features. It includes protection against overcurrent, total power issues, overvoltage, and short circuits. This is important for protecting your valuable vintage or modern gear from potential electrical damage. They also mention low interference and noise, which is crucial for musical equipment where unwanted hum or buzz can be a real problem that can ruin your sound. It's important for potential buyers to understand this is a new replacement adapter, not an original Roland or Boss branded unit. However, it's designed to meet or exceed the specifications needed for these devices. The connector type is described as cylindrical joints, which is the standard barrel connector found on these types of power supplies, ensuring it physically fits the compatible devices. The Ausli brand offers a money-back guarantee, which provides some peace of mind if, for any reason, it doesn't work correctly with your specific device. Although they strongly recommend checking your device model and its power requirements before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Overall, for musicians needing to replace a lost or broken 12V AC adapter for their compatible Roland or Boss equipment, this Ausli adapter appears to be a solid option, offering the correct power type and voltage with added safety features to keep your gear safe and functional.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.